Hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 days, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 19th of October. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay, honey, let's see what we have. Sagittarius. Overall energy for Sagittarius people. I'm going to do the readings very quickly and very quickly and to the point today because I'm very tired and there's some kind of construction work going on. But I have to do the readings because otherwise a lot of people gets angry. Scorpio, rightness. Something is about to come to fruition in this particular week. And you don't have to give up. This is something that you might be working on from a very long time now, and now you are losing your patience, and now you are just feeling that you should give up. You are not able to have any patience in this situation, in this direction anymore. So just try to calm down, try to relax, and keep on doing this thing because you are about to get the results of your hard work very soon, Sagittarius. Giving up is not the option for you guys for this week. Keep moving ahead, even if you are feeling a little bit negative right now. Just keep moving ahead in a positive way. Try to convince yourself to keep going. But it should be out of positivity, out of detachment, not out of depression and desperation. Yeah? Let's see. Fucking tired. Okay, let's see what we have for this week. 13th, clinging to the past. Sagittarius, the more you are going to cling to the past, the more you are ruining your present moment. And the more you're ruining your present moment, it's directly having a negative effect on your life, on your present life. So clinging to the past, whether it's a bad past or good past, is not going to give you anything good in return ever in this lifetime. Okay, try to understand the point here that clinging to the past is like we are chasing some kind of illusion, that's we are chasing something or someone that's dead, whether it was good or bad. Sometimes all we have to do is accept and let go. 14th of October, we have the Creator. Now you might be thinking about starting or restarting something, but you are lacking the energy or the strength or the courage, or you might be feeling that what if I'm going to do it and what if I'm going to fail or something. The Creator, the whole divine, wants you to start and initiate, use the strength and the courage, and the Creator got your back. Whatever results are going to come out of this are going to lead to your success. Okay, whatever experience you are going to get out of this situation, it's definitely going to give you major success. Major success for some of you, it's financial success. But for me, major success nowadays is getting some kind of lesson that is going to, help me to grow as a soul towards my goal of liberation. So take the first steps from your side, and the universe is going to help you to take the next ones. Work on your solar plexus chakra on this day. 13, 14, 15th, totality. So Sagittarius, whatever you are planning to do in your life, whatever work or career opportunity or things that you want to do in your life, do it with full totality. Do it with full energy. Okay, whatever you are trying to achieve here, you will be able to get it according to your own energies. If you are going to give half-hearted energy to a situation, you are going to get half-hearted results only. Don't expect the results to come in your favor if you are not giving your best and thinking that something is going to work out in your favor even if you're going to give your 10%. So let's say you did your 100% and still you failed. It means you are going to have the experience to do it better next time. Do the karma from your side with totality and let the universe decide whatever is good for you or meant for you. 13, 14, 15. 16th, conditioning. Now, in this particular card, you might be thinking that you are a sheep till this point of your life, but you turn out to be a lion. There's a very beautiful story behind this card. Today, I don't have the time tell this to you guys, but the situation here is that you are no longer feeling connected to the old version of you, Sagittarius, and the new version is still emerging. and for the new version to come out, you guys have to break the chains, break the conditioning, and start all over again. The question here is, do you have this courage to get out of this conditioning, this limiting belief, and start all over again? Because you got the clarity, you got the understanding that you are not what you thought you are till this point of your life. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, the rebel. These 2 days are very, very important for you guys, especially for those who are who are getting some kind of awakening in their life, and they're realizing that the old ways of life is not working out, and they have to do something in their life that is different from others, that is rebellious, that requires a lot of courage and strength. Only you can help yourself, Sagittarius, if you have the courage and the strength to be a rebel, to go against the society, to go against people, situations, or things that are no longer serving your purpose. Then only you are going to succeed. If you are one of those people pleaser energies, and you don't have the strength and the courage to go against the so-called societal norms and energies, then you are going to be stuck there only. You have to choose your comfort zone or your growth. Okay, 18th, we have harmony. Now, in order to have a harmonious connection with yourself and with the divine, you guys have to regulate your divine feminine and divine masculine. Your practical side and your emotional side should be balanced in order to have a harmonious kind of bond with yourself. For some of you, you are going to get it naturally on the 18th of October. For others of you, you might have to struggle a little bit, but if you are going to work on this with awareness, this working on your heart chakra and third eye chakra, you will be able to have a very harmonious kind of bond, okay, with yourself, with the divine. 19th, we have friendliness. Sagittarius, you are going to understand the real meaning of true friendship on this particular day. Now you are going to understand that friends can be from any religion, any caste, any country, any sex, and all you have to do is have to have a flexible and open mind to let this thing unfold in a beautiful and positive way, the friendships. So you might experience some kind of deep-rooted friendship kind of energy with someone that you are least expecting from, and you are going to be surprised when it is going to happen, because you were not expecting. Let's say, for example, you are one of those people who have a conditioning or belief that like a male or female cannot be friends ever. But then you are going to realize there is something that's going to happen on this particular day that's going to break your conditioning, break your belief, and you are going to realize that friendship can be with anyone, irrespective of their gender, their age, their caste, and anything. Okay, you guys can still share a good bond with someone. Okay, that awareness is going to change your things for the rest of your life. I'm tired, honey, very tired. I don't know why I'm doing the readings. Scared of you guys, or I love you guys, I don't know. Let me see the guidance for you guys for this week. Let me sit like this. Isolation. So if there is something that's bothering you, or there is something that's going to come up that might bother you for some time, try to express it, try to let the tears come out instead of suppressing it, instead of suffering in silence and blaming the whole divine and the universe. Try to let these tears come out and let this pain come out, and try to just express it and do not suppress it. That will help you a lot in moving forward and healing your energies in a better way. Okay, my love. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.